Now that I am here, I'm going to do what's called a double slip stitch together on the side. So before we did one here, it was a little bit different. We're going to do it up here by joining the side of this step with this row of double slip stitch and with the chain. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to find that side of the step, just like with what we've done whenever we pass by steps. And then I'm going to go in between this V again. And then I'm going to go onto my chain over here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through everything. And there you go. So I'm going to show you again. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook on the side of the step, just like when we pass by steps, and then insert my hook in between the V of this row and into the chain at the back over here. I've got 5 loops on my hook, so I yarn over and pull through everything. And then I continue with my chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then turning chain 1 and continue on the back bump of my chain. So I can count the stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the last one is down here. And finding my back bump, it's over here. The last one is always a bit tricky. Now, just like before, I am now working basically on the wrong side of my work because the chain is being done, because the stitches on the chain are being done on the back bump. So I'm going to turn this over so that I can continue working on the back loop of the previous row. So I'm going to find the back loop and continue there.